Hi, I'm Mike Izzard, Director of Silverhook. I'd like to introduce Silverhook's Red Antifreeze. This is an extended life antifreeze using organic acid inhibitor technology. At the correct concentration, it can provide up to 5 years corrosion protection. It will last for up to 250,000 kilometres in passenger cars and 500,000 kilometres in commercial vehicles. It exceeds the requirements of most European and international standards, including BS 6580 and ASTM D3306. It's available in a variety of sizes ranging from 1 litre to 1,000 litre IBC. The pre-mixed antifreeze is diluted using Silverhook's deionized water, which ensures there is no calcium build-up in the cooling system. It's compatible with other ethylene glycol based coolants, but as Silverhook antifreeze uses different inhibitor technology to some of the other coolants, it's recommended to drain and flush the cooling system with Silverhook's radiator flush first for optimum performance. The antifreeze contains low toxicity molybdenate to help corrosion inhibition and prevent damage caused by cavitation. Thank you for watching.